back, everybody. I am Mrs. Cadden. I will be your gym teacher for this year. Some of you already know me from the years past, and some of you may not, so welcome. Welcome to Iroquois. I'm very excited to be back in the building with you. I'm so excited to see all of your smiling faces. I hope you guys are excited. I know things are going to be a little weird this year, but I hope that we can make the best of it. I wanted to go over what we're going to be doing for gym class this year. Obviously, I'm not in the gym. I'm not in the gym right now, and I would love to introduce you to our space and our equipment and all of the fun things that we're going to be doing, but we have to do things a little bit differently this year. So we will either be in your classroom during gym class. We will be doing fun activities in your room, staying socially distant, making sure we're following all the safe guidelines, or we will be outside on the playground or even outside in the field doing our activities that we would normally do in the gym. So I just wanted to kind of give you a heads up ahead of time. Things are going to look a little different, especially for the specials teachers and the specials subjects. So, but just like before, we are going to run gym class like we did every other year. We are going to act safely. Okay, that's our number one rule. Okay, don't forget, we need to act safely and make sure that we are doing things in a safe manner, especially now with all of our new guidelines. Okay, we always want to be prepared and be positive. Things are going to be different this year, so we want to make sure that we are being prepared for class and that we're staying positive because things are going to be a little bit different and we're going to have to do things in a different way. So bear with us, we will get through this. Letter C, cooperate. We're going to be doing a lot of activities that involve teamwork and working together and cooperating together to try to, solve puzzles and stuff like that. So we're going to be doing a lot of cooperating. So we need to make sure that we are helping each other out and teamwork as well. Okay, and last but not least, as always, do your best. Okay, we're all doing our best here. We're all super excited to be back. Again, things are going to look a little different this year, but I'm super excited to be back and doing gym-like activities with you. So welcome back. Super excited to see you. See you guys soon.